Hello friends, and a very warm welcome to everyone who's watching this video. So in this video, I am going to talk about why goals are important for us. What is the need to have goals? Why do we need the goals? So as you know, in the previous video, in this series of goal setting videos, the previous video was of what is a goal, and this one is why goals are important or necessary in our life. So, to explain you why we should have goals in our life, let me, I would like to share a story with you from Mahabharata. So, Mahabharata is an Indian epic which talks about basically one family which have two cousins, the Kauravas and the Pandavas. So, when they were growing up, the Kauravas and the Pandavas, so Kauravas were basically 100 brothers and Pandavas were basically 5 brothers. So this story revolves around them and their succession to the throne and how they wanted and their egos coming in between. So Kauravas and Pandavas, when they were growing together, so they were going to the same Guru Dronacharya. So that Guru Dronacharya was responsible for teaching them everything, the knowledge, the knowledge of war knowledge, everything. So one day what happened, Guru Dronacharya, when he was giving them archery, education about archery, so he says he places a bird, he taught everyone archery and he was taking an exam for everyone. So he placed a bird on a very high tree, and then he asked all his students to come and one by one and aim at the eye of the bird. So their exam was to aim at the eye of the bird and hit the bird and at the eye with their bow and arrow. So every time he called a student, he asked them, what do you see? So all the students, so because there were 105 students, so someone said, we see the bird, and he was like, okay, give the bow to the next one. And someone said, I see the tree, I see the leaves, I see the branch on which the bird is sitting, I see the bird, I see the face of the bird. And every time he used to say, okay, pass the bow and arrow to the next one. So then comes the turn of Arjuna. So Arjun is supposed to be the brilliant of them all and to be a very good archer. So when the turn of Arjun came, so the Guru Dronacharya asked him, what do you see? So Arjun said, I see only the eye of the bird. So when he heard that question, he told Arjun to go ahead and shoot the arrow. So Arjun shot the arrow, and sure enough, he achieved the goal that which the teacher had kept for them, and he pierced the eye of the bird. So after this incident, all the other students asked him, if you never gave us a chance to shoot the arrow. You never, give us a chance to shoot at the bird. So probably if we would have shot, even we would have, achieved that. Even we would have achieved our goal. Even we would have hit the eye of the bird. So what Guru Dronacharya said was that, I know for sure that when you were not seeing the goal, when your eyes were not on the goal, you wouldn't have achieved it. And if I would have given you permission, you would have wasted your resources. So all your resources, all your bows, the arrows, so all your arrows would have gone waste. You would have wasted your resources just trying to hit that eye of the bird and not actually aiming for that, not actually seeing, because you were not aiming for it, because your eyes were not on your goal. So this is why, the biggest learning what I take from this story is that we should have the eye on the goal. Our whole concentration should be on our goals. When we set something, all our energies, all our resources should be to achieve that. And if we do not do it, we would be just wasting our resources, whatever resources we have. So we would be just wasting our time, our money, our energy on something else, doing something else, and not actually doing the things which would take us closer to our goal. And in the process, what happens? If you lose your time, your money, your energy, if your time is gone, probably, you had 1 year, you had a goal of 1 year to achieve, get a admission in a certain university. You have to study for that. And if you wasted all your time on doing something else and not studying for that one particular thing, you wasted the time. So time was a major resource which you wasted. So if you have a particular x amount of money and you want to use that money to open a business or do some kind of a work, and if you're not focused on that, you have lost the money. So you've lost the most valuable resource, the money which you had. So you're losing that. And if you had some energy, your experiences, if probably you are not your goal is a health goal, you have to achieve certain kind of fitness level in your 1 month or 6 months or 1 year, and you're losing that, you're losing all your energy, you're losing your energy on something else. And by the time in 1 month or 6 months or 1 year, because you had a goal and your energy has been wasted, so your body has given up on something. So that is why this is the reason that we have to choose our goals, what we want. We need to have a time frame towards that, and then we used to know why we need to achieve that. So also that all our resources are concentrated to achieve that one thing. So there's a very good example that the rays of the sun, if the rays of the sun fall on a paper, they do not burn it. The rays of the sun is falling everywhere, nothing is getting burned. But if you concentrate the rays of the sun through a lens and then put it on the paper, at one point it burns. It immediately burns into fire. So that is the power of concentrating all your resources and then moving ahead towards your goal. So I hope, friends, this puts some light on why the goals are important in our life and why we should have certain goals, and why, so that we do not spend our resources on things which are not necessary in our life. So hope you like this video. Please do share this video and subscribe to my channel, and like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you get more videos which are upcoming in the series of goal setting. So I'll see you next. In the next video, we will talk about the secrets of setting your goals and how you should set your goals for yourself. That might be one video or two videos, so we'll see about that. So till I see you next time, take care. Bye-bye.